Struggling with pergola posts sinking or leaning? You are not alone, and fixing this can save you a lot of headaches down the road. So, first off, make sure you set your pergola posts on solid concrete footings instead of just burying them in the dirt. Concrete helps keep the posts stable and prevents shifting over time. Next, compact the soil around the footings really well before you pour the concrete, because loose soil is a big reason why posts start leaning. If your posts already lean, try digging around them, resetting them straight, and pouring fresh concrete footings to lock them in place. Also, check if water is pooling near the base, because moisture can soften the soil and cause sinking. Adding drainage or gravel can help with that. If you want extra security, use metal post anchors fixed into the concrete to keep the wood from moving or rotting. When you build or repair your pergola, double-check measurements and levelness constantly so you can catch issues early, and don't forget to inspect your pergola posts every year for any signs of movement or decay. One of the biggest problems with pergola posts sinking or leaning is poor footing installation. People often skip proper concrete footings and just set posts in dirt, which leads to instability. Fix this by always digging deep enough holes and using quality concrete mix for footings. Another mistake is ignoring soil compaction around posts. If the soil is loose or sandy, it won't support the weight, so compact it well or add gravel base before setting posts. Lastly, neglecting drainage around the pergola causes water to pool and weaken the soil's strength, so make sure to grade the ground properly or install drainage to keep water away from footings. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot for homeowners looking to connect with trusted local contractors who know how to handle stuff like pergola post problems, right? Contractors also benefit by finding steady work through this platform, making it easier to grow their business while helping folks get their home projects done right.